Hey YouTube, this is Burla Gossam, and do you want a free iPhone 5? No, I'm not giving out any free iPhone 5s. But, do you want a Goldberg tribute? I have a contest out there, and it ends February 2nd. Check it out here, and it should be fun for you. You basically have to create a Rube Goldberg machine or a domino file based on a TV show. Anyway, this Rube Goldberg machine took 124 tries and 25 extremely tiring hours of work. Please like, share, or subscribe for the hard work. Stay tuned for a screen link coming on Christmas. It should be amazing, and it's for the CDT contest. Anyway, here's the contest, and subscribe.